Hey, what's up?
Not much, just chilling. What about you?
Same here. It's nice to have a relaxing day, isn't it?
Definitely. So, how's everything going with you?
Pretty good. I've been keeping busy with work and some personal projects.
That sounds productive. What kind of projects?
I've been working on a new project at work, trying to meet some deadlines.
That sounds challenging but exciting. How are you managing?
It's been keeping me on my toes, but I'm learning a lot.
That's great to hear. It's always good to keep learning and growing.
Absolutely. How about you? How's everything on your end?
Things are going well. I'm just taking each day as it comes.
That's a good approach. Sometimes, that's all we can do.
Exactly. So, what else have you been up to?
Not much, really. I've been reading some books in my free time.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you like to read?
Mostly fiction. I love a good story. What about you?
I enjoy mystery books. They're so exciting.
Oh, I like mysteries too. Do you have any favorites?
I do. I'll share a list with you later.
That would be awesome. Thanks.
No problem. Have you tried any new hobbies recently?
Not really, but I've been cooking a lot lately.
That's cool. What have you cooked recently?
I made pasta yesterday. It turned out really well.
Yum. I love pasta. Do you enjoy trying new recipes?
Yes, it's always fun to experiment in the kitchen.
That's great. I've been thinking about baking a cake.
You should. Baking is so fun and rewarding.
I hope it turns out well. Do you bake often?
Sometimes, but I'm still learning.
Practice makes perfect. You'll get better.
Thanks for the encouragement. What about you? Any hobbies?
I've been into gardening lately. It's so relaxing.
That's amazing. What do you grow?
Just some flowers and herbs for now. It's a nice start.
That's a great way to connect with nature.
It really is. Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and spending time in nature.
Me too. We should plan a hike together sometime.
That would be fun. Do you know any good trails nearby?
There's a great one near my house. It's not too difficult.
Sounds perfect. Let's plan it soon.
Sure. How about this weekend?
Let me check my schedule and get back to you.
No problem. Just let me know.
Will do. By the way, have you been watching any good movies?
Not many, but I saw a comedy last week. It was hilarious.
That sounds fun. What was it about?
Just a funny story about friends. You'd like it.
I'll give it a try. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. What else do you like to watch?
I enjoy dramas and thrillers. They're so engaging.
Same here. Thrillers always keep you guessing.
Absolutely. Speaking of guessing, do you play any games?
Sometimes. I enjoy card games and puzzles. What about you?
I like board games. They're so much fun with friends.
True. We should have a game night sometime.
That's a great idea. Let's plan it soon.
Sure. So, how's your family doing?
They're doing well, thanks for asking. How about yours?
They're good too. Everyone's staying busy.
That's good to hear. Are you planning any trips soon?
Not yet, but I'd love to go somewhere peaceful.
Same here. A little getaway sounds perfect.
We should plan a trip together sometime.
I'd love that. Maybe somewhere with mountains?
That would be amazing. Let's think about it.
Definitely. By the way, do you play sports?
Not much, but I enjoy watching soccer. What about you?
I used to play basketball in school.
That's cool. Do you still play sometimes?
Not often, but I'd like to get back into it.
You should. It's a great way to stay active.
True. Maybe I'll join a local team.
That's a fantastic idea. You'll meet new people too.
Thanks. How about you? Any fitness plans?
I've been thinking about starting yoga. It seems relaxing.
Yoga is great. It helps with both fitness and relaxation.
I'll give it a try. Thanks for the suggestion.
Anytime. So, what are your plans for the rest of the day?
I might go for a walk later. How about you?
Same here. A walk sounds refreshing.
Maybe we can walk together sometime.
That would be nice. Let's plan for it.
Sure thing. Well, I should get going now.
All right. Take care and let's catch up again soon.
Definitely. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.